Hello students, good morning all of you. Today we are going to learn unit number 3, 3.2, the fall of Troy. Unit number 3, 3.2, the fall of Troy. In this lesson, we have to learn about Troy. First, you open it, page number 68, and let's see about warming up. But before, let's discuss on title, The Fall of Troy. Troy, that is city. Name of city. And fall means what here? Padni, fail. Let's see warming of. Warming of means chit chat. Let's discuss. There are some points for discussing. Do you know stories from any epics or mythological poems? Dear students, you have read many stories, but among of them, some stories are from epics. Epic, that is Mahakavya. Epic means long story, but you have to tell me which are these stories as like epics. You have to tell me. Who can tell me? Yes. According to me, Ramayana, Mahabharat, these are epics. You know that Ramayana has long story. Mahabharat has also long story. So, or any mythological poems, mythological that is Puranic, means old stories. मग तुम्हाला अशा ह्या ठिकाणी काही लॉंग स्टोरीज माहिती आहेत का? का त्याला आपण महाकाव्य म्हणतो? किंवा पौराणिक पोयम्स, कविता तुम्हाला काही माहिती आहेत का? यू हॅव टू टेल मी. सेकंड, हु इज युअर फेवरेट mythological character? You know that in those stories there are some favorite characters, and these favorite characters you like very much. According to me, in lockdown period, you have seen serial on your TV at your home. That is Ramayana. Ramayana has a long story and there are many characters. Among of them, you like Ram and Lakshman. Ram and Lakshman were two brothers. They were very close. And there was great love between of them. And that's why Ram and Lakshman, these two characters are your favorite characters. As this life, your choice is different also. And what do you like about that character? Speaking action, different type of activities you like about that character. Who is your favorite warrior? Yodha. Once upon a time, there was great warrior. His name was Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So, because he had done great work at that time, and that's why he became very famous. He became great person. And so, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Subhash Chandra Bose, they were also great warrior in our India. And that's why we got freedom because of them. They have done hard work. Now these days we are completely free. Next, if you could visit a place in the ancient world or the mythological world, which place would you choose? If you could visit a place in the ancient world, ancient, Prachin, and word, that is Jug. So, if you would visit a place in the ancient world or mythological world, तुम्हाला जर असं वाटत असेल प्राचीन जगाला किंवा पौराणिक जगाला भेट द्यायची आहे, which place would you choose? तर तुम्ही कुठल्या प्रकारचं त्या ठिकाणी ठिकाण निवडू शकाल? Which event would you like to see? Event, that is prasang, and which event would you like to see? कुठला प्रसंग तुम्हाला पाहावासा वाटेल? That is your different choice. It depends on you. Now, building a story. Building a story. In this activity, we have to learn how to prepare story in your own words. Let's see. Information has given. I am going to read loudly and you listen to me very carefully. From groups of 8, the group leader prepares slips of paper for each of the 7 points given below and distributes them among the others. The group sits in a circle, taking their seats according to the number on the slip they have. Then each one completes the sentence on his her slip without sharing it with the others. The group leaders collect the slips and reads all the sentence loud as one continuous passage. Does the story make sense? The group then works on the story of to make it more meaningful and interesting. In this activity, you have to prepare own story. There are 8 groups. Each group there are 7 students and one is leader. One is leader, other 7 are participants. Means 8 students are there in that group. Among of them, one is leader. And what will he do? He will prepare slips of paper and he will give to each student. And there are 7 points. तो काय करील? 8 ग्रुप करील. 8 ग्रुपमध्ये त्या ठिकाणी 7 पॉईंट दिले जातील त्या 7 विद्यार्थ्यांना आणि त्या प्रत्येक पेपरवर एक एक वाक्य असेल आणि ते अर्धवट असेल आणि उर्वरित भाग मात्र त्या विद्यार्थ्याने स्वतः तो पूर्ण करायचा आहे विदाउट शेअरिंग अदर. दुसऱ्याशी कुठल्याही प्रकारचं शेअरिंग करायचं नाही. ॲज दिस लाईक लेट्स सी देअर आर पॉइंट्स. वन्स देअर वॉज अ डॅश डॅश who lived in a dash dash. She ate dash dash. He went dash dash. There he saw. She was. That is why. Let's see. Once there was a. First. There was a. This sentence is for one student and he will complete remaining part of sentence. He will complete meaningful remaining part of sentence. Let's see. Once there was a king. He was very rich person. He had money. He had property. And he had huge palace. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला साधे साधे वाक्य त्या ठिकाणी तयार करायचे. As this like you have to prepare simple sentences without looking here, there or everywhere. Prepare yourself. Next, who lived in dash dash? Who lived in Rampur? Rampur is a big city, crowded city, famous city in Maharashtra. As this like you have to prepare remaining part of this activity. Next part we shall continue tomorrow. Thanks.